Chief Police Information and Communications Officer Khulani Mamba says there were no fatalities experienced during the past 2 holidays. We report.
According to the Royal Swaziland Police Information and Communications Officer Superintendent Khulani Mamba, there were no major incidents reported over the holidays. Mamba says though there are road accidents that took place during the holidays, but the members of the public were able to behave themselves to eliminate road accidents in the country.
Everything according to the security perspective went very well. There were no incidents that were reported during the King's birthday, especially around Steg and the Bombo region, and there was no accident in relation to the King's birthday. However, we have had accidents, one at Lubulini where a 4-year-old boy was knocked down by a car and he died on the spot. And also this morning we had an accident at Mahlabovu where a car driven from Mbangweni belonging to the army with 3 people on board. The driver died on the spot and another passenger. The other person escaped without any injuries. We have people that have been arrested for drunken driving during this period. As we know, it was a long period. People were having money and they were celebrating. However, those who were found to be on the wrong side of the law has taken its course. We have also a murder case at Ngaba where the suspect has been arrested. He has already appeared in court.
Mamba then warned drivers for drink and driving, which results to fatalities in the country. He thanked the members of the public for working closely with the police in case they notice abnormalities in the country's roads. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Zodwa Dlamini with Smova Shongwe in Babane.